In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in ILovePDF. Whether you need to straighten a single page or fix an entire document, this online tool makes the process incredibly simple and efficient. So let's dive right into it and get those PDF pages looking exactly how you want them. First, to get started, open your web browser and head over to ILovePDF's website. It's an incredibly useful online platform packed with different tools for manipulating PDF files. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a range of options, but what we need to focus on today is the Rotate PDF tool. Now that you're on the site, look for and click on the Rotate PDF option. This will direct you to the section of the website specifically designed for rotating PDF files. It's a straightforward and user-friendly interface, so you should have no trouble navigating it. Once there, you'll see a button labeled Select PDF Files. Go ahead and click on it, which will open a dialog box prompting you to select the PDF you want to rotate from your device. After you've selected your PDF, it'll be uploaded to the website. This is where the actual rotation happens. You'll notice arrows pointing right and left. Clicking on the right arrow will rotate your PDF pages by 90 degrees to the right, while the left arrow will rotate them to the left by the same degree. Choose the direction you wish to rotate and make sure it's correctly aligned according to your preferences. Once you've rotated your document to your satisfaction, cast your gaze towards the Rotate PDF button on the screen and give it a click. This button will process your request and apply the changes you made, meaning your PDF is now correctly oriented. The whole process culminates in downloading your newly adjusted document. Look for the Download Rotated PDFs button that appears once the rotation is complete and click it. The final step ensures your file is safely downloaded back to your computer, complete with all the alterations you made. And just like that, you've successfully rotated your PDF using ILovePDF. It's a quick and simple method to ensure your documents are in perfect order, whether for personal use or professional presentation. Remember, with ILovePDF, you can rotate files with ease without needing any expensive software. So the next time you encounter a PDF that's slightly off balance, you know exactly how to set it right. Don't forget to explore other tools available on ILovePDF for any additional PDF editing needs you might encounter. Thanks for tuning in, and happy PDF editing.